What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to the Right YouTube channel. This is V, your host. I here just got the new Talaria thing. Rolled it around a little while. For a little while now, a couple of days now. I was just wondering, something I always wonder when I see these bikes, because I think about like the, like the motocross pit bike. I noticed like the front wheels are usually bigger. Like if I got a 19-inch back wheel, it's usually a 21 up front or whatever. And I had a 21-inch front wheel upstairs. Where is it? Yeah, I got this 21-inch front wheel right here. And I was curious to know what the ride would be like. Did a little research, and they say the reason they do it is because it goes, with the bigger front wheels, it goes through potholes better. And it goes over like stuff on the trail, like logs and rocks and stuff like that, better with the bigger front wheel. I want to try it and see what's going on with that. I just picked up the stand here from Arbor Freight. Should make my life a lot easier. It's kind of cool if it works the way it's supposed to. Let me get the bike up on here and remove the front wheel and take it for a quick test ride. I got the bike up on the stand. Let's see if this works how it's supposed to. It's not working like how it's supposed to. So I got it up with a little prod and everything. Okay, the jack works. But it takes a little elbow grease to get it going or whatever. Might even have to release this axle. And there's 4 pinch bolts right there. So I'll be doing that right quick. And I'm gonna pop that front wheel on right there. Once I loosen this one up, the axle should come right out. Got that wheel off, so I'm thinking I might have to use this axle. This is the axle that came on the bike. This is the axle that was on this wheel originally. So I'll see which one works the best. Okay, pretty much went right in. Just gotta tighten it up now. Tighten this axle in place. Okay, got everything back in there. So far, so good. So we're looking like 21-inch front wheel, 19-inch rear wheel.
Basically, you know it's down fucking hill, right? We had the momentum going. This nigga, you look, he's a fucking shipping.
Alright, y'all, take a quick ride, check out this setup, see what it gives me. I got the 1.6 by 21 up front, 1.6 by 19 in the rear. Well, the tires are 80, both front and back tires are 8100. I got 8100 21 up front, 8100 19 in the rear. And the tire, the front rim that came off this bike was 1.4 19, and it had a 7100 tire on there. Well, yeah, so far, I mean, I literally just got on the bike since I did this setup, and it feels great. The bike do feel a little massiver. That makes sense. It feels bigger, which I'm sure it's a little higher, at least 2 inches higher, or whatever. But still feel a little nimble. I'm not sure the agility, but yeah, I feel like I still toss this thing around. Acceleration is still there. I don't think I lost anything on the speed. I'm about 165, 170 pounds. I'm a little over 6 feet. But yeah, the get up is still there. This thing feels so easy to ride now. It felt easy to ride out the box, but I don't know, it feels more planted. It's a little more planted. So I'm not gonna do a great trail ride. I'm just gonna run through this trail down here, Wilson Wood, right quick. It's about a half mile long. It's probably the shortest trail ever. But it got, there won't be any logs laying around, but there'll be some twigs and stuff like that, and rocks and stuff like that. And it's a part on top of a little hill where the rocks are about 6 inches apart, so you You gotta shoot that gap almost perfect. A lot of times my back will hit and it it's like spinning me out. But yeah, I gotta get it on the trail. The turning radius feels like it increased. I feel like I have a better turning radius. Feel like I'll be able to dig into corners. Feel like the maneuver, you know, it feels like it's more maneuverable. Feel like maneuverability is there. Let's see. Right here be the doozy. My goodness, yeah, it feels good. Feels more planted. Ooh, that was crazy right here. Oh, wow, I didn't even know you could swim. That water look fish. That water look crazy right there, murky. Wow, murky. Yeah. Ooh. Damn. Yeah. And I gotta go back and well, this is like a short trail. I just wanted to get a feel for it, how it feels on the trail versus the street and everything. And I rode the Talaria with the 19s on leather tail trail. That's my leg up, a matter of fact. I banged my leg on the rock, between the rock and the peg. I thought my leg was coming off, so I was doing about 30 miles an hour. I was like, ooh, I'm surprised I didn't fall because I seen stars. But anyway, so I'm gonna hit that trail again, leather tail. And there's a part on there that I really want to hit. I gotta do something about this battery right here, yo. The ducks is out where they duckling. They don't like when you get close to them. Look at that one staring at me. Mother duck don't like when you get close to the ducklings. I know my kickstand is a little rattly back there too. But yeah, this thing it feels amazing. It digs into turns nicely. And you got the power, like if you really dig into a turn, you got the power to come out of it. So that's a plus. But yeah, I want to try the 1917 setup. There's a guy on here that already have that setup. Can't remember his name. And I think Oregon Motorcycle has this 19 or 2119 setup. I remember with a 19-inch front wheel. Let me see. Yeah, goes up on sidewalks easily. I remember with the 19-inch front wheel, I had to give it a little gas to get up on the sidewalk most times. This is crazy right here. She must be learning how to drive. Gotta be learning how to drive. Peace. Woo. Watch your ass on these rocks I'm going through. Oh man, you feel like that. You feel like power like that. Change location. This shit does feel, whoa. Could be my imagination, but it just feels better. It feels better leaving, turning, definitely going over stuff.